bên em khối chân phải thế thì ra thế.
When the road is long and my strength is gone, when troubles arise and my heart grows weak, I will lift my eyes and call your name. For you, my God, will never fail. In the deepest pain, when my faith is worn, through silent nights and all the tears I've borne, you remain my hope, my comforter and guide, my Lord, my God, forever by my side. My faithful God, I trust in you. In every season, in all I go through, in you I find my hope and peace. You'll never leave me nor forsake me. Even in trials, my heart will go on, held secure under the shadow of your wings. Through storms and rain, you've been my shield. There is joy and peace, even within grief. Jesus Christ, my Savior, my Redeemer, knowing you is the greatest blessing in my life. My faithful God, I trust in you. In every season, in all I go through, in you I find trust in you. In every season, in all I go through, in you I find my hope and peace. You'll never leave me, nor forsake me. Even in trials, my heart will go on, held secure under the shadow of your wings. My faithful God, I trust in you. In every season, in all I go through, you are my hope, Prince of Peace. Your love will never fade nor cease. Even in hard times, I still believe you are all I ever need. My faithful God,